Welcome friends. Now we are going to create an instance for Amazon CodeStar, which is a developer tool where you could create your applications and develop it within a team. If you are a developer, a tester, or your company involves a team of developers who should build on a certain project, who should work on a certain project together, they need a system like CodeStar. You have to go to the Amazon dashboard. From there, you could find a service. Hit the code star option available on the dashboard. From the services available, then you can create an instance for CodeStar. On clicking that option, it would redirect you to the dashboard where you could quickly develop, build, and deploy applications on AWS. So this is a dashboard. You have to first create a service role if you want. Otherwise, you can omit that step. The role could be the IAM role. Here you can manage software delivery easily. After working with team, you need an IAM role in order to create an access. You have to choose a project template. It could be based on Go, Node.js, Python, Java Spring, Node.js, Express, Ruby on Rails, PHP Laravel, ASP.NET, Python Flask, uh, and more. With various configuration like web services, Amazon EC2, static website, AWS Lambda, uh, Elastic Beanstalk, and other options. You can also go with Python Django. Here I have chosen any thing. You have to provide a project name at first. Then you have to provide the project ID matching to it. You could choose from the Amazon code commit or GitHub for source code and repository management. Then you can choose the review project details. You have to choose whether you are working on this or not. Elastic Beanstalk, CloudWatch, AWS commit is being found here. Then you have to provide the keys, authorization key, and acknowledge it here that you are using the SSH secure shell login. If you are not using it, you could create that thing. You have to choose this option, and you can also edit the EC2 configurations, the Elastic Compute Cloud configurations associated with this project. Then you can integrate it with other tools. Here it is. You can similarly create more projects of such category. Uh, if you it will be authorized on a certain AWS cloud region like US East, West, India, Singapore, anything like that. Then you have to provide a repository name here. Just I'm providing a trial and anything. It will create a new repository associated with your GitHub account. When you choose the repository with GitHub, your project could be get open source. If you don't want it to be open source and be confidential with you or and your team, you could choose from the Amazon code commit. Here you have the HTTPS repository. Then you can edit it with Eclipse, the Studio, and more options. Here it is the code star IDE kind of thing. Here we have various options. Currently, there is no IDE connected. You can connect various tools. You have the option to create. You have to the option to create with a team and share with team. You have the dashboard option to see the stats, the extensions, and the plugins that you could associate with CodeStar. Then you have the project setting configuration. All are available on the left hand side. You could move it from any direction, whatever is suitable for you. Here you can create a team. You have to provide a IAM role if you are administrator. If anyone else is an administrator of your team, he has to provide a separate roles, create roles associated with their AWS account. Here, this repository is being created on the GitHub dashboard. This is my account, and here these files are automatically generated by the CodeStar. So here it is. The project creation has been done by CodeStar. Here are the options, the npm and other options. So this was connected. Here I have I've seen more options available to me here. The build and pipeline option is available after the repository is being created. You can add a project team member matching with your IAM role that you provided. You can configure the issue tracking and perform various things. So here it is the source which is being created, and the build and release is not been done here yet. The DevOps pipeline, the cycle. Here you can choose to write the code itself here, or it will redirect you to the Git repository from where you could edit that files. Then you have option to create a pipeline, build a team, the extensions, and here it is. The connected tools are there. The pipeline, IAM, S3, the storage option, and more. You could create key value pairs as well. The extension is for Jira, the GitHub issues. There are various extensions also available here. So this is the pipeline that we are working upon. Here we have source, the build is being in progress, the source is successful. Then we have various options. We can add triggers like Lambda triggers or other triggers with CloudWatch or more services. API gateway. When certain events occur, then a project must perform certain tasks. That is trigger. Here we can edit various configurations of the project, ARN role that we can find here. Here are certain more details. The cloud